everyone, my name is Mary Ellen Brax and I work for the Spokane County Library District. Today I'm here with an early literacy tip. One thing I'm sure we're all looking for is some fun movement activities to do with our preschoolers and our early elementary age children. I have an activity cube idea, and so basically this is what it looks like. I took a little white gift box that I happen to have, and I put pictures of animals on here. So here, for instance, I have a little duck. Here I have a bird. The other thing I have is a cat, and so I just cut these out. I happen to get them from clip art, but if you really want to get your children involved, they can help you make this, have them draw a picture of the animal. I also looked for certain movements, like for instance, the cat here is stretching. I also typed in the activity or the movement I wanted them to do. So this one was stretch like a cat. And there's a couple of different stretches a cat could do, so maybe your child can think of some different stretches for each animal also. So basically what I did is I just glued them on. If you happen to have magazines, that's another option, or have your child draw the picture and then go ahead and write on there what movement you want them to do. This is a great way to connect the words and the letters together, and that the words that they see actually have a meaning. And then it works just like a die game. You take the box, you just flip it around, and whatever animal it lands on is the activity that they do. And this one happens to be flap like a bird. It's a great activity. You can do this one inside. You could also take it outside into the backyard so that you have a little bit of variety in your background for y'all. So I hope you have a lot of fun with this activity, and that your kids have a lot of fun either creating this activity with you and doing the activity. Just another little tip to help you get through these days where we're all stuck inside the house, and I hope that you have a great time with this idea. So have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.